Ever since scientists were successful in cloning the first sheep dolly, human cloning has become increasingly realistic and possible. The benefits of cloning are it can reverse heart attacks, repair or regrow damaged organs, and create new brain cells. Even though cloning does have its perks, it is definitely not perfect. The process of cloning that scientists have researched creates serious genetic problems and birth defects. When cloning the sheep dolly, scientists failed over 276 times before they were successful, and this number is believed to greatly increase if humans were to be cloned. With all these negatives that come with the process of cloning, it is causing great controversy in the scientific world. Courtney, what is your opinion on cloning?
I think it's wrong because it's recreating stuff that wasn't supposed to be recreated.
Do you think that the benefits of cloning are worth the risk?
No, because they have failed so many times, and with humans, like you said, they're going to fail more, so it's not worth killing for the benefits.
Courtney Linder, how do you think it could affect your life?
If I had a disease or somebody I knew had a disease, it could greatly help them.
How do you think it could affect our future in science?
It will greatly help in the medical field because it could help cure diseases.
Dawson, why do you think cloning is such a controversial topic?
Because it could either help us or hurt us.
Do you think your beliefs affect the way you feel about cloning?
Yeah, I think that's wrong and we should do it.
Mila, what do you know about cloning?
Not a whole lot, just kind of what you said in the thing.
Do you know exactly how the process of cloning works?
No, it seems a lot more complicated than what I understand.